Hello everyone! The brake caliper is an integral part of the vehicle's braking system, and we need to repair and diagnose it. MSG Equipment announced a course for your business and for your mechanics how to diagnose and repair brake calipers. The course is made for specialists in the field of car maintenance, for mechanics who have already repaired the hydraulic mechanisms, for specialists in the field maintenance of electric vehicles, for distributors of our equipment. The course consists of 2 days of training. On the first day you will get the theoretical knowledge about the brake system and the brake calipers. There is also additional information in the course, which is always updated. On day 2 you will gain practical knowledge of the brake caliper diagnosis as well as brake caliper repair, defecting, disassembly, replacing parts with a repair kit, repair, reassembly and check diagnostics with the MS301. Also additional information in the introduction to the part selection catalog. So, contact our sales department for the course planned.